In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at function return types. In Python, every function returns a value. So over here we have an example. For instance, you can see that this is the greet method that we have defined, and here we are trying to print the type of the return value and the value itself. So inside the greet method, we are saying print hello, and then we are returning a tuple. Now this tuple is having these values 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm executing this at line number 9, the main method, x will be of type tuple and the value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and run this now. And here you can see it says hello, and then the class is of type tuple and the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I go ahead and just comment this line and then run this function, you can see now we are not returning anything per se, but the function still will return a value. Let's go ahead and check it out. What will be its type and what will be the value that it's returning now. So here you can see when there's nothing to be returned, the function by default returns a value of type none type and the value none. So that's how Python functions are a bit different from the regular functions that we see in other programming languages like C#, Java, where we can say that a function never returns anything like type void in that case. But here the function will always return one thing or the other, as demonstrated in this example.